This is how you transfer WhatsApp data from your iPhone to your Android. By the way, if you're new here, then make sure you subscribe and also like the video. So right here I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max, then right here I have my Samsung M13, and we are going to try simulating a transfer using the official method provided by WhatsApp themselves. So I think this is the most reliable one, and I'll show you how to do it just now. So basically what you do here is you go to settings on your WhatsApp on the iPhone, then you scroll down, you go to chats here, you go to transfer chat history, it's already there. If you're on WhatsApp business, you won't see this option. So this official method does not or is not supported on WhatsApp business. Then if you want to transfer to another iPhone, you just say transfer to iPhone. But if you want to transfer to Android, you say transfer to Android. So here I have my cable, the USB-C, then to Lightning. I've already connected like this. However, it doesn't work. So basically, we can just remove this in essence. So it doesn't work for this process simply because we have to scan QR codes to connect the phones. So I'll say continue here. Then what it will tell me is I need to download WhatsApp on the new phone, which is the Android, register with the same number, then use this phone to scan. So this is like a new WhatsApp. I'll say agree and continue. Okay, then continue with my number. Continue. Okay, so here it's already showing me WhatsApp registration code was requested for your phone number, right? Here. Then it will show me the screen. So you can see it was already verified and it will show me that the same screen, transfer chat screen, so to speak. So it will give me this QR code. Here I'll just scan the QR code like this to ask me to join the Wi-Fi. Then when I do that, to start connecting, and the process is complete. So I'll say done here. It will show me I've logged out from this phone. Then if I say next, I'll just enter my name or the name of my YouTube. Let me just say Mfungo Geeks like this. Then it will tell me blah 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 backup. Then here we have it. So already it has showed me that. So obviously here I saved it with the name specifically here to show me the number, because I would need to transfer the contact itself. So it will show me that number there and that chat that we already had from this phone. So this is the official method of transferring chats from iPhone to Android. Another option before we move to sort of third-party applications, if you're on your Android on the setup screen for WhatsApp, you say agree and continue. Then here you click this menu option. It will show you these options. Link as companion device is the one we want. So what it will do is it will show you a QR code as well, like this. Then it will show you steps here, tap menu on Android, settings on iPhone, link device. So I'll go on settings here, go on linked devices here, then I link device. Okay, so it needs my Face ID. Okay, after that's done, it will give me option to scan, and then I scan like this. Then it will tell me keep WhatsApp open on both devices. So it's logging in and transferring the chats to my Android like that. So we'll just wait for it. There are not many chats, so it won't take that much time. Okay, so it's already done. I've transferred the chats from my iPhone to my Android like this. However, in this scenario, I'm transferring them as a linked device. So I'm using this as a linked device. So it's not necessarily like you are already registering WhatsApp on this phone, but you are just sort of saving chats, more like how you do or use WhatsApp web on your website or on your browser, right? But in this case, we are using this phone as an accessory. So it's not necessarily, it's WhatsApp web, but in the sense of using an Android phone, so to speak. So it's not necessarily the transfer you would want, like transferring chats, if especially if you are migrating from the iPhone, from using an iPhone to using an Android phone. I think the first option obviously would suffice. However, in this case, if you just want maybe a companion device where you can actually see your chats on your second device, whilst your first device still has the WhatsApp installed there, then this option would work, and you'd actually reply to messages, etc., do all that stuff from your Android phone. So this actually works if you're just using your second phone or your Android as a companion device rather than actually moving from the iPhone to the Android. Now we are moving towards options that would require maybe, let's say, third-party software or software on your phone that you can use, other softwares. In this case, Smart Switch. So Smart Switch is pre-installed on most Samsung phones. If it's not, then you need to download it from Play Store and you'd actually get it from there. So Smart Switch is used to just transfer files from your iPhone to Android or vice versa. And I think I've showed you videos in the past showing how to transfer files between these devices using Smart Switch. In this case, we use a cable again, the USB-C to Lightning. So USB-C is for my Android phone, like this. So what I'll do is I'll open Smart Switch here, like this. Okay, it was once open. So once I open Smart Switch like this, connect to my iPhone, you see to say connecting to transfer your data, just like that. So now it's syncing, it's connecting. Okay, so after it has done syncing the data from the iPhone here, it will show me a list of options as I had shown you in the previous videos for just transferring files in general. Then in this case, what we want is apps, right? So we say transfer. And to check for matching apps from the iPhone, which are installed on the iPhone, that we can take. So here we have these options, right? So you can see WhatsApp Business is also there. So I've installed WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp here. WhatsApp is for the test as we are doing it right now. So WhatsApp Business is the one that I'm using currently. So let's say you want to transfer WhatsApp Business. I think this would be a perfect option because the first option, the official one, wouldn't work in that scenario. So WhatsApp Business would work in this scenario like this. But if you want to use WhatsApp Messenger, you can also transfer WhatsApp Messenger. You'd need to scan the QR code as well. But in this case, you'd need to scan the Smart Switch QR code in this case. So basically, this possibly would work in the cases of possibly a new phone setup or those kinds of things. However, let's just select, let's say you are trying to transfer WhatsApp Business in this case, and you say install. What it will do, it will start transferring and give you an option to put your passcode here. Then it will start transferring like this. So once it's done, you'll see that after it has completed transferring, your WhatsApp chats would have already been transferred from this phone, the iPhone, to your Android phone. So this is another option. In some cases, you might get a storage warning if the phone you are using maybe is really dated Android phone. However, I think these cases can be solved if you have an external storage installed on that phone. If not, or if your phone does not allow for external storage, then possibly this won't work for you. Okay, so in the cases that these official methods are not available to you, you then have to use non-official methods or third-party software. So I've seen that most content creators would obviously push these third-party software and show you how to transfer data using these, and maybe show you as if these are official methods, or methods that are used by most people. However, in most cases, they do not tell you that you need to pay or subscribe for the service to actually use that service. So, that might be a bit challenging for some people. So in most cases, because there are already official methods to actually do it, I would advise people to do that. But in cases where you can't do, or you can't follow the official methods, you then have to use apps like these ones. You'd have to use tools like TenyaShare, IK Phone Transfer, or Wondershare Mobile Trans. I think these can be used and are industry standard for transfers without resetting. So you can use these, and there are others as well that you can use. No factory reset needed, and there's extreme high success rate. However, most cases they are obviously paid or subscription based. So you need to know that in these scenarios.